Hi everyone, today I brought you this laundry basket. It comes in 2 baskets and this very nice metal design. I'm gonna put it on the ground. It's super easy to install and you can put it against the wall, on any wall that you like. It will add a really nice decoration. It comes with these 2 baskets. This one I have designated it for the white color and this one is like for the colored laundry. So this will help you separate the colors. Also comes with this amazing MDF wood design. It comes in black and this wood color. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, very heavy duty, and you can use this space to put towels. You can put decorating like a vase or something.